In the guest post and link insertion business, hundreds of emails come daily, but every email has a different intention. Guest Post CRM identifies that intention instantly. We call it motive detection. Motive means the real intention behind the sender's message. Is the client negotiating, asking for refund, wanting DR discounts, demanding link confirmation? Or is it just spam? Guest Post CRM detects this automatically for every incoming email. First, the system checks if the email is actually about guest posting, sponsored posts, link insertion, or link exchange. We built 50-plus specialized AI prompts. Each one scans the email for very specific patterns, like payment delays, DR negotiations, link removal requests, reseller bargaining, guidelines, threats, or anchor text changes. Guest Post CRM compares all results and chooses the closest and most accurate motive. The motive gets stored with the contact and deal, so you see the full story instantly. Reply suggestions, automations, and even AI avatar videos adapt based on the motive. Guest Post CRM detects motives like negotiation, payment delay, refund request, expired link replacement, DA/DR based pricing, threat/blacklist, link confirmation, content quality complaint, reseller pricing, anchor, text change, domain change, link exchange, hidden sponsorship, manual proof request, link removal, and over 50 more. Motive detection saves time, reduces mistakes, speeds up replies, automates deal movement, and keeps your CRM cleaner and smarter than ever. This is motive detection, the world's first AI system designed specifically for the guest post industry. Smart, accurate, instant. Only in Guest Post CRM,